If you're installing a smart switch or dimmer, you may have seen the words neutral wire required. But how do you actually know if you have one? I'm going to open up 4 electrical boxes and show you exactly what to look for, because not every white wire you see is necessarily a neutral. So let's get started. So in older homes, you're going to find switches like this that have just 2 wires entering the box. You have the white one there and a black one there. Now, the white one is connected directly to that switch, so there's a positive sign right there that that's not a neutral. The way they actually did things was they brought the hot down on that white wire and then back up to the light fixture on this white wire. So this box right here, there is no neutral. Okay, here's our next switch. Let's open it up. So this switch right here looks like a dead-end 3-way. It does have a white wire on there, but the white wire is attached directly to the light switch. That's a telltale sign that that is not a neutral either. So if you wanted to get a dimmer or a smart switch for this device, it would also have to be a no neutral required dimmer. So anytime you see a white wire attached directly to the switch, that white wire is not a neutral. It's actually one of the travelers, in this case, to the other 3-way switch. Now this box here is in the bathroom, and you can see I got 2 light switches here, and then I have a timer for the exhaust fan. Let's pull all this out. So you can see right here, this timer got a white wire on the back of it. That there is the neutral. In the back of the box here, you've got a group of 3 wires that are moretted together right there. Here's a close-up shot of inside that box. You've got the yellow wire nut back in the back there that has 3 wires attached to it, and they're all moretted together. That there is your neutral. That 4th wire is going out, and it's connecting to the bathroom timer. This box here has a neutral. The telltale sign of a neutral in a box is exactly that. You have all the white wires in the back of the box moretted together. Alright, here's our last box that I'm going to show you. Get a good close-up of in here. These are our power wires that are coming in, going to each one of the switches. This black moret there has all the neutrals coming into that box, and they're tied together. And you can see I've got the 2 neutrals from here going into the smart switch. I guess this Lutron one didn't require one. I thought it did. But either way, what you're looking for when you're opening these boxes up are these white wires that are moretted together. So you can follow them coming in from each of the box and moretted together here. Those are the neutrals. If you have those in that box, there's a good chance that you can install a smart switch or dimmer. So hopefully that gives you a better idea of what you're looking for when you're trying to determine if you have a neutral wire. Just remember, a white wire doesn't automatically mean it's a neutral. If you're not sure what you're looking at, don't guess. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. I've got plenty more straightforward DIY and electrical videos coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.